record this. This is just stunning. Look at this. Wow. Yeah. What do you love the best? We just saw a kookaburra sitting up in a tree.
Oh, I wanted to see the kookaburra too, but I missed out.
Oh, that's okay. There's going to be more. There's heaps down here.
Is this kookaburra land?
It is Kookaburra Land, yeah.
Yay!
What else? What else do you like around here?
Kookaburra's not here.
Oh, it will be. Oh, look at these big ferns and trees. Wow.
What ferns, Mum?
Oh, those big leafy ones. Where are they? There's so many. Look like that. They're all ferns. Oh, there's a waterfall.
Where?
Down here, look. We're about to drive past it. Here we go. Wow. Big volcanoes out that way.
Where's the kookaburras?
Well, you've got to look carefully up in the trees. Keep looking. What else do you like here? Is it? Oh, you better stop.
Where?
Just here.
Why not we
Just let these cars go past.
It says we have to go. It says we have to have a birthday here.
I saw that, yeah. All those balloons on that sign. So we have to have a birthday here, do we?
I think so.
Whose birthday is it?
I think it might be more.
Oh, nice.
Hey, you can come at my birthday.
Oh, I'd love that.
Watch them in the wax.
That's okay, we can change them soon. Oh, wow, this is so pretty.
Where's the kookaburras doing?
I think we're going to see some soon. Remember last year when we were at the farmhouse and we saw those kookaburras and parrots that used to come and visit us? Or waterfalls. Mule falls.
This might be bird country.
It's bird country, yep.
Yay! But is this Dion country?
Dion country.
Dion country.
That's funny. And Dion's the king of the country.
No, Dion's thing is the
Dion's country. Is he going to wear a crown and a cape?
Yeah.
Crown and a cape.
My tummy hurts.